Kumusta and welcome back to my channel, Mang Kres TV. And in this video, we are going to do an old school hit. This is a Mr. Big's version of Cat Stevens' Wild World.
Hindi lang maganda yung chord progression niya, kundi meron pa siyang ilang mga riffs and strumming lang siya. Pero lalagyan natin ng konting melody dun sa intro. So I'm so excited to share this with you guys. But before that, kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod pa nating mga videos, okay? So without further ado, kung ready na kayo, kunin na yung gitara nyo and let's do this.
Tutorials at iba pa.
Okay, so unahin natin yung intro, syempre. First chord is D minor. And then D minor add 11. And then C. And then F major 7 over C. And then meron tayong sundot sa first fret, first string, like this. Okay? And then B flat. Isang bagsak na ganon. And then G minor. And then sa 5th fret, second string, meron tayong sundot. Like that. And then A. Dito natin kukunin. And then 7th fret, 3rd string. May sundot na ganyan. Ganun lang siya. Okay? Okay? And then, yun na yung intro natin. Tugtugin natin siya ngayon. Okay? Nakuha nyo? And then, punta na tayo sa verse. Yung verse niya almost the same lang ng chords. Yung second chord lang yung nagbago. Bali ganito yung chord niya, di ba? D minor. I've lost everything to you. Said you wanna start something new. And it's breaking my heart, don't be bad. Okay? Yung part na to, yung A, kukunin pa rin natin yung melody niya. Okay? And then ulit natin dalawang ulit, di ba? And if you wanna leave, take good care. Hope you have a lot of nice things to wear. A lot of nice things there. Yung A dito na natin kukunin, yung bandang huli. Out, and then C, na dito natin kukunin. Kasi itong C na to, part na rin siya ng transition to chorus, di ba? Yung transition to chorus niya ganito, di ba? C. And then B flat. And then A minor. Okay? And then G minor. And then yung chorus na, bagsak sa F, di ba? Bali ganito siya, di ba? I-emphasize lang natin tong higher strings kapag kinalabit natin yung sa transition na yon, di ba? Ooh, F. Ooh. Di ba F? Ooh, baby, baby, C. It's a wild world. B minor sus. Okay? And then, meron siyang ref pagkatapos nun, di ba? F. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. Dito, yung first ref natin, di ba? Sa first fret, first string. And then first string open. Second string, third fret. And then second string, first fret. And then third string, third fret. Third string, second fret. Third string open. And then fourth string, third fret. Okay? Bali ganito siya. Mabagal. normal speed. Okay? So, mukha lang siyang mahirap siguro sa mga bago, pero pag na-practice yung daliri nyo, kung paano siya gumalaw, kung paano siya kalabitin, magiging madali na lang to sa inyo. Okay? So, practice lang talaga. C. After that riff, C. And then, B flat sus. And then, F. Diba? And then, after F, meron pang isang riff. Dito naman tayo sa lower strings, diba? Okay, mula sa first fret, parang slide lang siya to third fret, fifth string, tapos dalawang kalabit na ganun, and then fifth string, fifth fret, and then fourth string, third fret, tatlong kalabit, back to fifth string, fifth fret, and then fifth string, third fret. Okay, so bale ganito siya, mabagal. Okay, normal speed. Okay, and then ulitin natin yung buong set ng chorus. Pwera doon sa last riff, di ba? Tugtugin natin yung buong chorus niya, di ba? Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. And advance upon a smile. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. Always remember me like a child girl. And then, after this, doon na tayo sa may transition to verse. Kukunin lang natin yung chord na ano nga to? G. Kakalabitin mo lang yung apat na string na yon ng tigi-tigisa. And then balik dito siya. Okay? And then back to D minor, which is yung verse. And then second verse. You know I've seen a lot of what the world can do, and it's breaking my heart in two, 'cause I never wanna see you sad, girl. Don't be a bad girl. But if you wanna leave, take good care. Oh, we'll make a lot of nice friends out there. Just remember there's a lot of bad and beware. Transition. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. Hard to get by, so won't smile. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. I always remember you like a child girl. And then sa part na to, yung tutugtugin nyo yung chords ng intro, yung may kasamang melody, di ba? And then isang set ng verse, yung pangalawang set, di ba? But if you wanna leave, take good care. Hope you make a lot of nice friends out there. Just remember there's a lot of bad everywhere. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. Hard to get by, just upon a smile. Ooh, baby. riff na to, medyo magbabago ng konti siya. Parang sa pagkakadinig ko, ganito siya. 5th string, 3rd fret, slide to 5th fret. Diba? And then, 4th string, 7th fret, slide down to 5th fret. And then, 4th string, 3rd fret. And then, 5th string, 5th fret. 5th string, 3rd fret. Okay? And then, yung chorus. Diba? Normal speed. Baby, baby, it's a wild world. Always remember. Parang may beatin pala doon, diba? Okay. Like a child girl. Baby, it's a wild world. Always remember you. And then, tapos tayo sa F. Like a child girl. Okay? So, yun lang siya.
Mukha lang siyang mahirap para sa mga bago pa lang nagigitara, pero pag pinaulit-ulit ko siya, pinractice siya ng paulit-ulit, magiging madali lang siya at napakagandang piyesa nito, napakagandang kanta nito para gitarahin. Especially dun sa mga old school na rockista. Old school rockista daw eh. Okay, so that's all guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, siyempre kung nagustuhan nyo itong video na to. And kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to hit that subscribe button then turn on that notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod pa nating malulupit na videos para sa inyo. Okay?
See you in the next video.